For the hip airplane, we are gonna do the kneeling hip airplane. It's safer, so you make sure that you do it correctly. Hands are below the shoulders, spine is straight, brace the belly in, breathe through the diaphragm. Bring your left leg up, squeeze the gluteus. You are going to open up your left hip, just rotating your foot and your hip, and then rotate the opposite direction. You can tap the floor, so you're gonna feel the hip closing and opening, and 2, open, and 3, open, and 4, open, 5, open, 6, open, 7, open, 8, open, 9, 10. Then you come back and you do the other side.